Today's a very special video and a fun one. I read through the Ring Magazine's 1927 Training for Boxers book. This is written by Nat Fleischer, who is an astonishingly good boxing writer. He wrote many articles for decades for the Ring. It's tough. The program is not written out like a modern program. It's written out narratively. It describes the training camp and the training schedule of these boxers from 99 plus years ago. But I've gone through it, I've deciphered it, and today we're gonna break it down for you folks so that hopefully for the next 30 days, we can follow along, we can do this program together, and you folks can all help me see either the value or the things that need to be workshopped in this program. We can do this as a team, as a community. I'm going to be following along with this program, and it's fascinating. You know, I probably found this book 2 years ago, and I compiled a similar program. A lot of the stuff in the program, I thought I knew better as somebody with a degree in exercise science, as somebody who thinks of himself as a modern athlete. But I find, as I encounter little injuries and tweaks and troubles in my training, that a lot of these injuries come from the things that I replaced, that I skipped over on this whole program. For the first time in my development, and I'd love you folks to join me, I'm gonna run the program as it is written with no substitutions, and we're gonna see how we all come out the other side. The morning routine begins with 2-pound club bell swings to warm up. I'm not familiar with using club bells, so I chose to use a hammer. Weighted shadow boxing for 12 to 15 minutes. Keep the dumbbells light, and you can break up the 12 to 15 minutes however you see fit. Leg raises with a flat dumbbell overhead press for 12 reps. Prone roll for 8 reps. Reverse hyper for 8 reps. Supermans for 10 reps. Push-ups for 10 reps. Kneeling back bend for 8 reps. Tyson stretch for 10 reps. And finally, chin-ups for 12 repetitions. I couldn't quite tell if the program was meant to be split up as a preseason program and an in-camp program, but I don't think that there's much co-interference between the programming, so I decided to make it a Day A and Day B program for us to run together. Day A begins with a 2-mile run at a 7:30 pace for 15 minutes, squeezing rubber handballs to strengthen your hands, your wrists. Chin-ups for 12 repetitions. Chest machine for 3 minutes. I don't have a chest machine, so I chose to use my elastic bands. Medicine ball for 3 minutes. You can use a partner or the wall. Rope skipping for 3 minutes. Double end bag for 3 minutes. Shadow boxing for 6 minutes. Heavy bag for 6 minutes. And finally, a 6-minute circuit where you will alternate between squats, leg lifts, bicycle crunches, pogo jumps, and overhead throws, each for 10 repetitions before moving on to the next. Day B begins with 45 to 60 minutes of a 5-minute walk, followed by a 3-minute run, followed by a 15-second sprint. Alternatively, you could walk for 400 meters, run for 300 meters, and sprint for 100 meters on repeat, followed by vaulting exercises, both linear and lateral, chin-ups for 12 repetitions. Grip exercises, several sets of 8. If you have grippers or handballs, you can adhere to that. I'm just going to use my rice bucket. Pulleys or elastics, where you will complete your T's, Y's, and A's, punches, and flies. Rope skipping for 10 minutes, recommended to be 25 slow skips, followed by 100 fast skips on repeat. Body conditioning with the med ball. Alternatively, you can use a partner. Ring rows for 10 repetitions. Neck bridges for 10 repetitions. Reverse push-up bridge for 10 repetitions. Prone sit-ups for 10 repetitions. Leg lifts for 12 repetitions. L-sit to toe touch for 32 repetitions. Dynamic rolling neck stand for 15 repetitions. Bicycle crunches for 16 repetitions, and finishing with the rowing machine for 10 minutes. Certainly a bizarre program, but thank you folks for following along. If you check our Ko-fi, you can see that we've put together a template that you can follow along with this program, or you can just take notes yourself and screen grab it from this video. But we'd love you folks to join us and certainly chime in the comments section about how this program is going. We'll touch base again at the end of all of this, and we'll see how this has improved our boxing coming out the other side. Thank you so much, and I hope you guys learned something, and I hope you guys are motivated to try something new that hopefully helps you succeed when you fight.